Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we dive into the world of the most exciting cars and luxury rides out there. Today we have something special for you. Let's talk about the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Wald Edition, a car that's setting new standards in luxury, performance, and style. The Lexus LX 700 is already a beast of a vehicle, but with the Wald Edition, Lexus has taken it to the next level. It's the ultimate blend of sophistication, rugged capability, and cutting-edge design. If you're familiar with the Lexus LX, you know it's known for its luxury features and off-road prowess. But the Wald Edition adds an aggressive and sporty twist that makes it stand out even more. One of the first things you'll notice about the Wald Edition is its bold, distinctive styling. The exterior gets a custom makeover with a body kit that includes a new front bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser, giving the LX a more muscular and dynamic presence. The aggressive stance is enhanced by a set of high-performance wheels, which perfectly complement the car's sharp lines and sharp edges. The gloss black accents and matte finishes only add to its appeal, making it look like a true road warrior. Inside, the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Wald Edition doesn't disappoint. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, custom stitching, and an overall attention to detail that Lexus is known for. The combination of comfort and sportiness continues here, with a driver-featured cockpit and plenty of tech features to keep you connected. A large infotainment screen is paired with a premium sound system. And of course, all the luxury touches you expect from a Lexus are here: heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and advanced safety features. But don't think it's just about looks. Under the hood, the LX 700 Wald Edition packs a punch. With its powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, it delivers impressive power and torque, making it perfect for both smooth highways and rugged trails. The adaptive suspension system ensures that no matter what terrain you're on, you'll always have a smooth ride, and the all-wheel drive system guarantees that you're ready for any adventure. What really makes the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Wald Edition special is how it combines two worlds, luxury and performance, into one incredible package. Whether you're cruising down the freeway or tackling a tough off-road trail, this vehicle excels in both. And if you're someone who appreciates exclusivity, the Wald Edition is even more limited, so you can feel like you're behind the wheel of something truly special. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the 2025 Lexus LX 700 Wald Edition. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Car Collective for more exciting car content. Drop us a comment below. What do you think of this luxury off-road monster? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.